Avoid these loans after 60. Women over 60 love to give of themselves, their time, talents, and often money. Sometimes it's a family member, and it feels like a real emergency. But no matter how badly you need the money, there are some loans that you should try to avoid. Here's some advice for you. Payday loans. With payday loans, the lender gives you an advance on your next paycheck in exchange for a fee. The trouble is, if you fail to pay off the loan, the fees can skyrocket quickly. Some states in the US have imposed strict regulations on payday loans, and the payday loan offices are often in less affluent parts of town, showing that many of these companies are specifically trying to target a less educated, less wealthy demographic that's often more financially vulnerable. Avoid payday loans. Car title loans. This is another form of a personal loan where you borrow a small amount of money with a 30-day repayment period and you put up your car title as collateral. It may sound like a fair deal, but the truth is car title loans are risky. The interest rates tend to be very high, and you risk losing your car if you fail to repay, all for a relatively small amount of money that is often much less than the value of the car. Car title loans are another type of loan where many states and municipalities in the United States have imposed limits on this type of loan, or even made it illegal for car title lenders to do business there. Car title loans are different from car loans, which you use to buy a car. Car title loans are only issued for cars that the owner already holds the title to and owns free and clear. Tax refund loans. Some companies in the United States offer a tax refund loan where you can borrow against the expected amount of your tax refund. The drawback of a tax refund loan is that they often charge a high rate of interest, as well as additional upfront fees. You're probably better off working with a good accountant to minimize your tax bill rather than relying on a tax refund loan. Cosigning on a loan. Cosigning on a loan happens when you don't have a good enough credit to get approved on your own. So you ask a friend or relative to cosign and share the obligation to repay the debt. Cosigning on a loan can be the riskiest financial move of all. Not just for the money, but the risk to your relationship. In case you fail to repay the loan, your cosigner is just as equally obligated to repay. So collections agencies can go after your friend or relative just the same as you. Think long and hard before you co-signing or asking someone else to co-sign on a loan. Take care of yourself first. While it's not always possible to plan for every contingency, and true emergencies do happen, there are several things that every woman over 60 should do to improve their financial resilience. First, make sure that you have several months' emergency money stashed away for a rainy day. Second, reduce your daily cost so that life's inevitable bumps don't knock you off course. Third, reduce your debt and maintain a good credit rating so that you never have to turn to risky loans. Finally, and most importantly, take care of yourself before helping your family. Be honest about your financial situation and don't help others if you can't afford it. As they always say on an airplane, put your own oxygen mask on first before helping others. Do you know anyone who's gotten into a financial agreement that they later regretted? What happened, and what did they learn from the experience? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hear my videos first. You've got so many, jewels and secrets to share. That is such a cool story. I love it.